Started creating this once in a blue moon basket by adding a fourth a cup of goat milk powder to a large mixing bowl. Now pull out your favorite mortar and pestle. This happens to be mine, and I'll link it in the comments below. Now add 2 tablespoons of butterfly blue pea flower petals to the mortar and begin to gently grind it into a powder. You'll see as I go along that it has a very potent blue color. Add it to your mixing bowl. Then add a half a teaspoon of blue poppy seeds. Next, we're going to add Epsom salts. You'll need a total of 18 ounces of Epsom salts. You'll see that I'm adding mine a fourth a cup at a time. Just give it a good whisk to work it in. Then add blue cornflower petals. 1 tablespoon will do. Give those a good whisk as well. And after that, you can add an optional fragrance. I chose one of my favorite natural skin-safe fragrances from Makesy. I'll link it in the comments below. Then, open an airtight glass jar. I found these at Home Goods. Scoop your mixture in, then add a little blue pea flower to the top. Place the lid on, and wrap it around twice with twine. Tie it into a knot and secure a wooden scoop to the knot. I love adding these as an extra touch, especially when I'm giving them as gifts. And they're especially handy in the bathtub. I'll put a link in the comments for the scoops that I used. Now you've got to see this blue moon basso. I'm pouring a little bit into a basin to give you just a peek. Watch as I stir it into the water. Is that not incredible? I mean, look at this blue color. All natural, all good for your skin. Get the recipe at lifeandreflection.com.